Hello everyone, this is Rupinder. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will talk about making puris using a Rotimatic. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a really detailed video on Rotimatic review. Please do check it out. It will surely answer all your questions that you might have about Rotimatic. You can find the link to this video on the screen or in the description box below. Rotimatic really makes it easier not just to make rotis but also to make puris. All you have to do is fill the flour container with whole wheat flour mixed with some semolina and any dry powdered spices of your choice. Then you fill the water container with some water mixed with salt and fill the oil container. After that, you just need to select the option of making puris from the menu as shown on your screen. Rotimatic displays all the instructions on its screen that make puri making a breeze. I must tell you that a fried puri would not come out of a Rotimatic. Rotimatic rolls the dough into a so-called puri disc. The puri discs need to then cool down before you fry them separately. The puri discs are perfectly round in shape and fluff up really well, as you can see on the screen. They are also not too oily and taste really good. Once the puri discs are ready and cooled down, it hardly takes a couple of minutes to fry them. If you're hosting a lot of guests for a puri party, you do not need to do the hard work of rolling each puri on your own. Rotimatic will do this work for you. Let me know in the comments below if you would want to see an update on making millet rotis using a Rotimatic. Please do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be notified when I post that update. And do check out my video on Rotimatic review, in which I talk about customer service, warranty, cleaning the Rotimatic and limitations of the Rotimatic. That video will surely help you decide if Rotimatic is the right investment for you. Thanks a lot, bye bye, and see you in my next video.